Okay, here's a quick one. Focus, beam, and color values can have their own timings, separate from the intensity time and separate from one another. These timings work much in the same way, however, they can't have split times. Intensity values are fairly clear whether the value is going up or going down, getting brighter or getting darker. Focus, beam, and color timings, however, well, that's just one value to another. If I go from red to blue, there's no clear up or down. If I go from a gobo rotation of clockwise to counterclockwise, there's no clear increase or decrease. Therefore, these are timings that transition from one value to another value. Okay. I've created a couple of illustrations here for you. So once you go to Q21, here you'll see 3 lights on the back wall. If you go to the next Q22, you'll see that these 3 lights change their focus, their color, and their gobo over 5 seconds. You'll also see another set of lights that are going on and have the exact same new settings, but because they were off in the previous queue, they auto-marked, meaning they didn't move while they were live. We can change the timings of each of these by tapping the time button to toggle through them, or we can always click on the times individually. So let's try changing Q22's timing. I'm going to click on focus here. I'm going to change that to 0. I'm going to click on color. I'm going to change that to 8. I'm going to click on beam and change that to 16. Now, let's go back to 21 and try stepping into this queue again. We see that the focus happened pretty much instantly, as fast as the lights could actually move, that the color changes over a period of time of 8, and that whereas we are still talking, the beam is still trying to expand. All right, now let's go to Q23, which is going to happen instantly. And we've set ourselves back up into the exact same scenario. Now let's go to Q. Oops, I double tapped there. Okay, we're in Q23. Now let's go to Q24. In this case, we're going to see the lights move while fading out. In the previous case, we wanted to see those transitions, well, at least to show you what happens. This, however, is a pretty common scenario that you are fading out a moving light and you don't want to see the focus gobo or the beam change while it does do that movement. So what do we do if we want to get those to go out? Well, that's pretty handy. We can actually delay the focus. So we're going to delay the beam and we're going to delay the color. So to provide a delay value for each one, we could click on each one, hit delay, and give it a value. How much, by the way, delay should we give? Well, that really depends on the intensity of down. So if it takes 7 seconds for the intensities to go down, the delay has to be at least 7 seconds. And by the way, we can actually click on all 3 together. So I'm going to click on 24, Q24, because that's the key that we're going into. Focus, color, and beam. I'm going to press a delay of 7 seconds. Now should look like this with a little 7 before each of those timings. Okay, now let's go back to 23 and watch it in Q24. Now we are going to delay for 7 seconds as these lights go down, and then it snaps off, and now the lights are going to move over the previous time. No more ugly live movements. Hooray for delay!